Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you this home security system will help you to protect your property anytime, anywhere. In the box you'll get 4 detector sensors. You'll get 4 remotes like this. You get like arm and disarm buttons, and you get SOS for emergency. You also get this doors and window contact, wireless doors and windows contactors. You'll get this IDs, tags, these tags. Also you'll get 2 wireless sirens, one for indoor and one external one for outside, and it's solar, so you don't need any batteries or any electricity. And finally you'll get this control panel, which is the heart of the system. So now I'm going to show you how to set it up and work it. What to do now is to activate each one of these elements, one at a time, to make it compatible with the. I'm going to start and activate this remote now. So all I need to do is press enter like this, and it's on setting. I need to go now on ports this one in the bottom here, so I need to move till I go on that port, press OK. So as you can see here, I don't know if you can see it or no, but that's remote detector RFID. So I'm gonna activate the remote. So I'm gonna press enter, and you can see here plus, that means add. So I need to press enter again and press 1. You see the time is countdown, so I need to press one of these buttons to activate it. See? Now it's activated. So now I need to go back like this and move to the tag. So I need to press enter like this, add, enter, and just touch the control panel with the tag like this. So it's activated. As I mentioned earlier, this system comes with 2 wireless powerful sirens, and also this control panel is built in with a powerful siren, So let's say our system is all installed, and we're gonna arm it now and see how it works. I need to press, I can use manual from here.
System armed.
Like this, you can hear it. So it's armed now. So I'm gonna try one of the detector sensors, like this one here, and just that one has no battery. See which one's got batteries. This one is on now. I'm gonna try it with this one. So I'm gonna pass my hand in front of it like this. Try this one. Which one is activated? Maybe this one. I think it's this one. Yeah, it's this one.
System disarmed.
So let's try it again. I'm gonna use now the remote to arm it. Let's say that, for example, my system is installed and I'm leaving the house now, so I'm gonna arm it with the remote. As you can see here, if I press the remote, the arm button system like that, armed. See, I've got a delay of 4 seconds. I can put the delay, exit delay, you know, for like whatever I want, you know, a half hour, whatever. But now I put it on 4 seconds, the exit delay, so it's armed now. So if anybody gets to into the property without permission and that, you know, you see, it's like I'm trying it now with my hand on the sensors, pretending that somebody is just getting into the property. You can hear it now. We've got a delay of 10 seconds. And you can hear it, and I can disarm it with this now.
System disarmed.
By pressing this button here, it can disarm it. Or I can use the tag to disarm it. Or I can use it manually, like press it with my finger like this and disarm it. This system also allows you to like to put a SIM card with a phone number, so whenever you've got motion detection, it'll notify you by sending you a message to your one of 4 numbers. You know, you can put your phone number here, and you've got a possibility to put like 4 more phone numbers. So it's really you can also use it with Wi-Fi, as you can see here, this icon in the corner here. So all you need to do is just download the app called the Curv Smart, and you can use it, you know, wireless and with Wi-Fi. It comes also with a book of instructions, you know, to show you how to use it, and it's really handy, guys. Helpful. I think that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you have any doubt or questions, leave them in the comment below, and I hope to see you soon in my next videos. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. See you later. Bye.